The numbers unsettling right now, but positive news on the vaccine front is today the FDA granted full approval to the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for people aged 16 and older.
And that is the shot that more than 92 million Americans have already received. Today, President Biden called on unvaccinated Americans and their employers to take action.
Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now. The vaccination is free, it's easy, it's safe, and it's effective. And it's convenient. Today, I'm calling on more companies, I should say, in the private sector to step up with vaccine requirements that'll reach millions more people.
Full approval is expected to bring more employer mandates at businesses large and small.
It also clears the way for Pfizer to begin advertising its vaccine directly to consumers. With a closer look at what else today's approval may bring, we are joined by our own Dr. Frank McGeorge. Frank?
Yeah, Karen and Devin. So another big change actually is the name. Instead of calling it the Pfizer mRNA vaccine, you're going to begin to hear its new brand name. It's called Comirnaty, which is actually kind of a mashup of the words COVID, mRNA, and immunity. You get it? Comirnaty? I don't love it, but no one asked me. But hopefully public perception will also change.
Some, an FDA-approved COVID vaccine may instill in them the confidence to go and get vaccinated.
FDA Commissioner Dr. Janet Woodcock knows how important full approval is for many people. In fact, a Kaiser Family Foundation survey found it made a difference to 3 out of 10 people.
Working around the clock, FDA staff were able to complete the evaluation of this biologics license application in just over 3 months.
Today's full FDA approval of the Pfizer mRNA vaccine, Comirnaty, involved more than just a review of the initial data submitted for the emergency use authorization. More than half of the original trial participants were followed for safety outcomes for at least 4 months, and overall, about 12,000 recipients were followed for at least 6 months. As part of the full approval process, effectiveness data was studied in about 40,000 vaccine and placebo recipients, and the vaccine was found to be 91% effective in preventing COVID-19 disease. It should be noted, this full approval is only for people over 16 years old. Use in the 12 to 15-year-old group is still under emergency use authorization because 6 months of follow-up data is still being collected on that age group. Today's approval also does not have any effect on children younger than 12. Those studies remain ongoing. So a logical question is, what about Moderna and J&J? Well, Moderna submitted its application for full approval about a month later than Pfizer's, and it's expected Moderna could get full approval sometime in September. Johnson & Johnson has said it will submit its application later this year, and the review would then take a few months from there. Back to you.
All right. Thank you.